Greetings, math fans. All right, so this is a review before the quiz, and then it also has a little bit of notes on the second page here. So let's kind of get going here with the review. The degree, again, you look for the biggest exponent, so we're going to say the degree is 2, and it's got 3 terms, so we call it a trinomial. Okay. The next one, it's the degree is 5 because it's x to the 5th, so degree 5, and it is a binomial, 2 terms. Just like tricycle is 3, bicycle is 2 wheels. Okay. This next one, the highest degree is a 4. There's y to the 4th. Don't always look for the first one. Look for you have to kind of look through the whole thing and see which one has the highest exponent. So that's going to be degree 4. And since it's more than 3 terms, we call it a polynomial. All right, and this is x to the 1st power, so it's degree 1, and this is a monomial. Mono means 1. Okay, pretty easy. These next few problems, you're adding and subtracting. So what I always tell you guys to do is let's get rid of the parentheses. Now this is a plus, so literally I just rewrite this the way it is. So it's x squared minus 3x plus 5 plus 3x squared minus 10x minus 1. Literally write it the way it is. Okay? And then I combine like terms. So I can combine the x squared and the 3x squared. That gives me 4x squared. Not 4x to the 4th. It's like if I have 1x squared and I hand you 3 more x squared, you have 4x squareds in your hand. Okay? Negative 3x minus 10x is negative 13x. And 5 minus 1 is plus 4. And that's your answer. Okay? This one, you distribute the negative to both, or to all 3 of those terms. So if I rewrite it, I get 4x squared minus 7x plus 1, and I distribute the negative. So it becomes, I basically switch the signs of everything. So minus x squared plus 6x minus 5. All right, then I combine my like terms. So 4x squared minus 1x squared is 3x squared. Negative 7x plus 6x is negative 1x, or negative x, and 1 minus 5 is negative 4. And that's your answer. Okay, not bad. So let's keep going here. Here's another addition one. So I'm going to do 4x squared plus 3, and then keep the same sign. So minus 5x squared plus 9x plus 7. Okay, then I combine my like terms. 4x squared minus 5x squared is negative 1x squared, or negative x squared. There's only a plus 9x there. And then plus 3 and plus 7, so 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay. And then the last one under this category here is I distribute the negative again to all 3 terms. So I get x cubed plus 4x minus 6, and then minus 2x squared minus 30x plus 2. Change the signs of every term. Okay, nothing to combine with the x cubed. Nothing to combine with the x squared, so minus 2x squared. And then I have 4x minus 30x is negative 26x. And negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. And that's my answer. Okay? And just kind of just review real quickly, right? This is degree 3, and it's a trinomial. This is degree 2, and it's a trinomial. This is degree 2, it's a trinomial. And this is degree 3, and we call it a polynomial because it's got more than 3 terms. Okay? Okay, the next one, you distribute. If you need to, put a 1 here. So 5x times x squared is 5x cubed, because 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 15x squared plus 25x. And you're done. Okay? This next one, remember, multiply the numbers together. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, but you add the exponents, so it's x to the 4th. The next one, negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. And that's x to the 1, so you add the exponents, you get x cubed. And negative 3 times negative 8 is plus 24, x squared. Right? I prefer to put that negative 2x squared y squared in front. I just like it there better to distribute it. I'm just used to it. So again, I'm going to multiply. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. Add the exponents. Y to the 1st times y to the 2nd is y to the 3rd. Add the exponents. Okay, and then negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12. X squared times x to the 3rd is x to the 5th. Y to the 1st times y to the, or sorry, y y squared times y to the fourth is y to the sixth. Okay, and that's my answer. So it's not that bad. It's just, again, make sure you multiply the numbers, these numbers, with that negative 2. Okay, and then you deal with the exponents, the variables with the exponents as well. Okay, the next one we're going to do FOIL, which you guys should know how to do. If I do first, outer, inner, last, so x times x is x squared, outer minus 7x, inner plus 3x, and last minus 21. And you combine these together, so you get x squared minus 4x minus 21. Okay? A couple more problems here. X times x is x squared, outer minus 8x, inner plus 8x, and last minus 64. These happen to cancel, so you get x squared minus 64. And that's your answer. Okay? Again, I'm going to FOIL here again. 2x times 5x is 10x squared. Outer minus 2x, inner plus 5x, and last minus 1. Okay, combine those middle ones together. So you get 10x squared plus 3x minus 1. Okay, so that's like the old stuff. Really, the new stuff is not that much different. But here's the deal. When you have x plus 8 and then you have a squared on the outside, if I told you x squared, do you guys agree that I would write that as x times x? So x plus 8 squared, you need to do this. You need to write it twice. Okay? So then you just FOIL it. That's all you do. You write it twice and you FOIL. So write twice, then FOIL. That's all you do with these. So x times x is x squared, outer plus 8x, inner plus 8x, 8 times 8 is 64. Now these don't cancel. It's different than these top ones here. One was positive, one was negative. These do not cancel. So you wind up getting x squared plus 16x plus 64. And that's your answer. Okay? So this one, I'm going to write it twice. 5x minus 1 times 5x minus 1. And then I FOIL it. So 5x times 5x is 25x squared minus 5x plus 1. So you end up getting 25x squared minus 10x plus 1. Okay? These are pretty easy, right? This is, again, x minus 3 times x minus 3. I FOIL it. I get x squared, outer minus 3x, inner minus 3x, and last plus 9. Combine those together, get x squared minus 6x plus 9. Okay, and same thing with this one. Just write it twice. 2x plus 8 and 2x plus 8. And I FOIL it. So I get 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 8 plus 16x. X, or 8 times 2x is plus another 16x. And 8 times 8 is 64. Put it together, 4x squared. 16x plus 16x is 32x plus 64. Okay, and that's your answer. So, and I believe that is it. So, pretty easy lesson. Literally, just if it's something quantity squared, make sure you write it twice. This is a bad thing to do. Let me just show you. I'm going to write bad is this. X plus 5 squared to do this. X squared plus 25 is to square each of those terms. That is super bad. Because look, x plus 5 times x plus 5 does not give you x squared plus 25. It gives you x squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 25. So you actually have x squared plus 10x plus 25. And it's missing that 10x there. That's why this is not right. Okay, so you got to write it twice. Very, very important. All right, that's it, my fans. Have an outstanding day. Adios. Goodbye.